Good girl, Suri. So she's grabbing on.
Well, she could grab before. It was just sore. She had a sprain.
So it's her right foot, right?
Her right foot, yeah.
Wipe your fig on my computer.
You mean right from our direction?
No, on her right
The
foot.
real right-hand side of her.
Her side of
Her
her head
right-hand
looks
side.
terrible.
Yeah,
It's
correct.
just feathers.
Oh, no regurgitating. That's not
Right on
nice.
She wants to spit on that crappy Apple computer.
Come here. Let me see your beak. These are little figs.
Now she just pooped on your computer.
Ugh. Suri.
Did you?
It's an Apple product, so you poop on it. Nobody cares.
That's not nice. That's good. Yay. Oh, no regurgitating. That's ugly.
She thinks it's funny.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
Does
You
it
want
mean
your
she's
fig back?
excited or happy?
Yeah, she
You
wants
want
to
your
feed
fig
us.
back?
Did you stick it on her beak?
No, she took it. It was on her beak. You silly bird.
Oh, you're so pretty,
You
Suri.
silly bird.
Suri. Oh,
She
look
slept
how
a long
pretty.
time. She slept from like 9
Yeah,
o'clock.
she did. She didn't make a noise at
Before
all.
9 o'clock all the way till like 8.
Oh, her head looks awful.
Because Phoebe
Her
was
ear
out.
is all exposed. She got. I wonder if she can hear her in that ear.
Of course she could hear. She slid through the door and it's just like she ran across the wall and the feathers came off.
I'm wondering
Poor
if
baby.
she came.
I seen it exactly what happened. That's what I'm
Did
trying to tell you.
Was it the door handle or just the door?
It was the side of the door, did not close on her, but she tried to squeeze through it. She got through it.
Well, if it did close on her, her head would be off.
Well, when she
Jeez.
if the door closed, it should be dead.
Well, I didn't close the door. I just shoved it so that it would.
She was pretty close. Another 10 millionth of a second and she wouldn't have a head.
Jeez.
Well,
Suri.
I didn't force the doors to shut.
You don't
Close.
do that. Now we're going to have to trim your wings, your feathers. You bad bird.
Suri, it's not funny.
You just got to stay on your tree in your house.
It's not funny, Suri.
That's gross. Come on. You go. Come on. Step up. So she's flying okay. Suri, Suri.
She's flying really
I
good.
kiss you. See,
Really
that's
good
where you're
today.
supposed to stay. Right there on your tree. You bad bird. You get a spanking. She's eating. She's never stopped eating.